Don't use someone's wow. In our whole life, we have listened this sentence multiple times that everybody is different from everyone else. But in relationships or in friendships, we often ignore this fact. We can't digest a simple fact that the other person is different from us, is enjoying different things, has different hobbies and interests. Most of our friendships start in a way with someone saying that, oh, I thought you were like this, but you are like that. That's a wow factor. That's something that is so pure and innocent. That's the beauty of interacting with a total stranger. How a person enjoying history or mathematics just for the sake of their own interest offends you. How a person wanting to learn everything makes you think, oh, they are being too much. This point is really important for me to talk about. You can never understand the gravity of this simple critique, even if you are saying a simple sentence that makes them go silent. It's so detrimental for our relationship. It can lead to a person go completely silent and don't share anything because you simply don't enjoy them and you don't want to talk about it. I am not saying that you have to enjoy those things for the sake of your other half, but at least you can listen to them or you can ask them questions. It can make a huge difference for them. I like piano for no reason at all, and a friend of mine, she loves guitars, and when I get to know that she loves guitar, I asked her more and more questions. And whenever I found a interesting pic of guitar on Pinterest, I will share it with her simply because she enjoys it. Even though I don't like it, I still don't like it, but I share it anyway. I think that makes a huge difference. Ask her why she enjoys or why she likes guitars, and she will talk about everything, literally every minute detail of why she likes them or why she wanted to be a guitarist in near future. Now I cannot simply see guitars as something as a musical instrument. I see them as a thing that she enjoys, she likes and she loves. I am really a private type of a person. I normally don't share anything about myself, my interest and my hobbies. But there are moments when I want to talk about something that I want to share with you, that I really enjoy that or I really do love that. And when I am talking, you make me feel that I am not normal enjoying those things and you are making me go silent because of my simple interest. I think that attitude is not normal and that judgment is not normal. I can enjoy whatever I want. If you don't want to listen, that's okay. I can go private again. I will never talk about that because you don't like to listen. Many of my friendships have ended because of this simple fact that I went silent. I don't have anything to talk about, so what do I talk about? It ended. You don't want to listen to me. You think I am not normal or I am being cringe, performative, nerdy. So that's okay. I will never talk about that. If that pleased you the most, then I can be a people pleaser. And that's truly how people pleasers are made. You make them feel left out and they will choose those topics that you can engage with, not what they truly enjoy to talk about. And you should keep this fact in your mind that viewing someone's wow is not normal. If you don't like it, that's okay. And if they like it or they enjoy it, that's okay too. That should be okay too for you. I don't want you to enjoy those things that your friend is saying that she enjoys, but at least make them talk about that. Listen to them. It will make a huge difference. Many of us are introverts. We have only selective topics we can talk about. So let us talk about. So, whenever you think that that's not normal, whenever someone tried to tell you about what they enjoy, give them a moment to talk. Ask them question how it feels to enjoy those things and try to communicate with them. It will make a huge difference. Give them space to tell you that they are different from you and they enjoy certain things and listen carefully. There is beauty in those moments.